How to fix lag in Albion Online Mobile. So, if you're experiencing lag in Albion Online, there are a few ways that could help you fix this. So, right now, I'm still currently downloading because I have a few problems with my connection right now, but it's okay since all you have to do is know what to do. So, first things first, if you do have access of Albion Online, one of the first main things you can do to try fixing lag is lowering your graphics. You can find this directly in the settings and then just the graphics quality. Make sure that you have it in low in order to help with the lag. But if you want your graphics to stay the same, then there are other methods. Um, the next one is to use a stable internet connection. So don't do whatever I'm doing right now since I have bad connection. But lag isn't always from your phone. It's often from network delay as well. So make sure you can stay close to good connection. If you're using data, make sure your signal is good. Turn off background downloads or streaming apps. Make sure you're pretty much just using the app itself in order to have a stable internet connection. So if your ping is below 100 ms, then you'll get smooth gameplay. So make sure that's what's going on with your internet. Next is clearing cache and freeing some RAM. So you can close all background apps, especially browsers and social media, and you can do this directly in the settings. So you can clear Albion Online's cache. Again, you can find this in settings. So let's just go ahead there real quick. So inside our settings, it's taking some time to open, but it's still a fast process. All we have to do now is just search for our apps. So apps, we're here. There we go. You can go to Albion Online now, and then just go ahead and clear cache. Um, Clearing all data will get rid of pretty much what you downloaded in game. It won't get rid of any progress, but you're gonna have to re-download the actual resources of the game. So if you wanna go ahead and do that, then sure. But clearing cache is pretty much good enough. So just go ahead and press and clear cache, press OK, and you're good to go in that part. You'll also make sure you have it updated. I mean, you can't play if it's not the latest version, but make sure it is still. You can also switch to performance mode since some phones do have this kind of feature where you can go on gaming mode or performance mode in your phone. So you can go to the settings, find this. It's pretty much different for multiple devices, but that's pretty much most of the options you have to help you with lag in Albion Online since the options in mobile is quite limited. But hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.